In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ribbed serpentine belt idler pulley on this Nissan Frontier. We're working with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and this is located right on the front of that engine. Let's get started. Grab onto this air tube and turn it counterclockwise. If you're looking at it from the front, that's going to make this channel get to right about here. As soon as it stops, you can pull this back. That'll unlock it from the air filter housing. Pull it out of here. Now remove these two 10mm headed bolts and lift up this intake tubing and set it aside over the engine. Using a 14mm socket and ratchet, or a serpentine belt tool, or even a wrench if that's what you have, push down on the tensioner, which is this right here. That's going to relieve pressure off of the belt. You can then slip it off of whatever pulley you can. The tensioner is the easiest, and then you can pull it off of something else, so you can bring your tool up and remove the tool. And you can now reach in for the belt and pull it away. To remove this idler pulley, use a 14mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench and take the bolt off from the center. Break it free and remove it the rest of the way. There's the pulley with the bolt. If you had your new idler pulley, take it and line it up. Sometimes it comes with the bolts, other times it doesn't, and if it doesn't, you just transfer the bolt over. Thread it on. We'll torque this bolt to 35 foot-pounds. All right, that's tight. On the screen, you'll see the belt routing diagram, and you'll follow this to put the belt back on correctly. I found it to be easiest if you start on the crank or the harmonic balancer, and then go up from there. Whether you go to the left or to the right, it doesn't matter, whatever works best for you. What you do want to make sure of, though, is that the belt is seated on all the pulleys in the center of them, especially on the ribbed ones. You want to make sure that every single rib is perfectly seated, otherwise the belt will jump off eventually. With the belt mostly on there, put your tool back on the tensioner, remove tension. That should give you the slack you need to slip the belt back on that last pulley. Okay, it's on there. Ensure that it is flat and mounted evenly on all the pulleys. I'm going to give it a quick spin because I can, just to ensure that things are seated, and they are. Everything looks good. All right, so I'm going to let go of this, and that belt is reinstalled. We'll get this intake reattached and reattach the two 10mm headed bolts right here on the radiator support.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.